Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to take you through a few things that you have to know about Teams meeting, how you can mute maybe the audio, how you can mute the video, how you can share your screen, and how you can record your Teams meeting. First thing first, if you want to mute your mic, you just have to click on the mic. It will have that cross. If it has a cross, it means actually it's disabled. So people can't hear you. So you have to just click on it to unmute it. Okay. Sometime in the meetings, if people are not hearing you, it may be that you muted the mic by mistake. You just have to unmute it. For the video, if you don't want people to see you, you can just actually click on the camera. Then the video will be off. They won't be able to see you. If you want it back, you just have to click on it. If you want to share, you just have to click on share. Then you have to maybe, if you want to share the whole PC, whatever you're going to do, it's better to share the screen instead of the window, because sometimes if maybe there's a pop-up on that window or you are switching to another browser, like you won't be able to share that. So window is specific, but screen, everything on your computer can be shared. Even if you are going to go to a folder, you're going to share maybe you're going to go to another browser, like they just share everything as you're seeing it on your computer is how they will be seeing it. So I recommend always using sharing your screen instead of the window. Okay, so you can even include the sounds on sounds from what actually sounds from what you're presenting, what the sound that it can make. For example, if you may be sharing maybe your screen and you open a song, if you play it, then also that song from that song, that sound from that song will be heard. Remember, you're talking and also the song may be making a noise, so it will be that one noise. So that's why by default this one is off, because sometimes the noise from what you're going to share, maybe during the sharing you're going to click on a video or something, the two sounds may actually be confusing. So you rather leave it like this. Okay, then to record your videos you have to go to more, and here usually the first is record. If you don't see record, it means your package doesn't involve the recording feature. So how do you do that? You have to buy a business package. Okay, business package. The recording is available with the business packages. I think it starts with $6. Okay, so these packages are the ones which have the recording. So probably I don't know, because I'm not even paying anything. So whatever I have, it really doesn't have the recording. So that's why I don't have the recording. If you want to enable the recording, you have to buy any business package. Okay. So that is it. If this video has helped you, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, and bye-bye.